Imagine a single fleet of ships that could have erased England from the map in just weeks. Would Queen Elizabeth survive? Could England's Protestant crown survive the might of Spain? Most people think England won the Armada because of luck. But the truth is far stranger. Storms, strategy, and a daring queen, all combined to defy one of the most powerful empires in the world. In the 1580s, Europe was divided by religion. Spain was Catholic, rich and militarily unstoppable. England was Protestant, smaller and vulnerable. Privateers like Francis Drake were already raiding Spanish treasure ships, making war inevitable. Then came July 1588. 130 Spanish ships, 19,000 soldiers, 2,000 cannons. Anchored off the English Channel, their plan was simple: sail, join an army in the Netherlands, and invade England. Could anyone stop them? Spain's plan was flawless on paper. But England's navy was faster, more maneuverable, and deadly at range. Then, 8 old English ships, set on fire, sent straight at the Armada. Panic. Chaos. Formation broken. Winds turned. Storms raged. Spain's mighty fleet had to retreat north around Scotland and Ireland. Out of 130 ships, half were lost. England survived. Its independence, its Protestant faith, and Queen Elizabeth's throne remained secure. This was more than a naval battle. It shaped the future of England, the Protestant world, and even global exploration. Imagine what could have happened if the Armada had succeeded. The course of history might have been erased. If you love unraveling history's what-ifs, hit like, subscribe, and share. There are more stories waiting just beyond the horizon.